Good morning, children. Welcome you all to today's science class. Children, in previous class we have studied about some joints which present in our body, and we can bend and our hands and legs or our body because of these joints. Okay. We studied about some movable and immovable joints. Immovable joints means fixed kind of joints, and this such kind of fixed joints are present in our skull. We studied some movable joints, uh, and these movable joints are mostly found in our knees, elbow, ankle, hips, etc. Okay. uh, we studied about some different kinds of joints like ball and socket joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, and pivot joint, and we studied about their location in our body. Okay. Today we are going to study about muscles. Children, more than 600 kinds of muscles are present in our body. More than 600 muscles which present in our body, and bones and muscles together, bones and muscles together uh, work together for movement and locomotion. Means because the together work of bones and muscles, we can do movement, and we can uh, move from one place to another place because of this work together. Bones and muscles work together, and that is why the that cause movement and locomotion. Okay. Muscles are attached to the bone by a tough fiber are called tendons. Yesterday also I told you what are the tendons and ligaments, means what is the difference between tendons and ligaments. Children, tendons and ligaments are connective tissues which connects uh, the tissues which connects the muscles to the bone are called tendons, and the connective tissues or tough fiber which connect one bone to another bone, and such connective tissues are called ligaments. Okay. So these connective tissue join the muscles to the bone, and because of this movement of bones and muscles together, we can move our body parts. Okay. Muscles are attached to the bone by the connective tissues are called tendons. I hope you understood this. There are three types of muscles are present in our body. There are three types of muscles, and these types of muscles are voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. These three types of muscles present in our body: voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac. These are the three types of muscles present in our body. Okay, so what are these muscles? We will study in detail. Okay, so first of all, we will study what are the voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means the muscles which work under our will are called voluntary muscles. Means the muscles or the functions or work of the action of the muscles are under our control, such as muscles of the arms and legs are under our control. Means if we want to move our hands or legs, we can move, but if we don't want to move our hand, we cannot move. So these muscles are work according to our wish. Means action of these muscles are under our control, and such kind of muscles are called voluntary muscles. And examples of these muscles are the muscles of limbs, muscles attached to our limbs such as arm and legs. Okay. And the movement of our arm and legs are under our control. Okay, so these are the voluntary muscles. Now, what are the involuntary muscles? Involuntary muscles means the action of these muscles are not under our will or are not under our control. Means these muscles are work automatically and independently. Such as, for example, the muscles of our stomach and muscles of our small intestine or long intestine. These are work automatically, means we cannot move them, we cannot, means the action of these muscles are not under our control. These muscles do not work according to our will or wish. Such kind of muscles are called involuntary muscles. Muscles of our stomach and intestine are the example of involuntary muscles. They always work independently and automatically, means they not work according to our wish. They work automatically and independently. Okay, so such kind of muscles are called involuntary muscles. I hope you understood what is the difference between the voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles, the action of voluntary muscles are under our control, and the action of involuntary muscles are not under our control. Example of the voluntary muscles are, muscles of arm and legs. Okay, and example of the involuntary muscles are muscles of stomach and small intestine and lungs are the involuntary muscles. Okay, now another kind of muscles are which are present in our body are cardiac muscles. These are some special kind of muscles. Cardiac muscles are also involuntary because action of cardiac muscles also are not under our control. So these are involuntary muscles but which work automatically and we cannot control their actions. Cardiac muscles are present in the wall of our heart. Cardiac muscles are only found in the wall of our heart, and the contraction and relaxation of these muscles make our heart beat. Means cardiac muscles contract and relax. Contraction and relaxation of cardiac muscles makes our heart beat. These muscles work throughout our life. Okay, so these are some special kind of muscles which are present in the wall of our heart. Okay, and these also involuntary muscles, means action of these muscles is not under our control. Okay, so these are the muscles present in our body. Okay, children, in our next video we will study about how muscles work and how we can take care of our muscles. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a good day.